Hello, I'm Paddy from creativemedia.org.uk and I'm here with a really useful tip for people who use laptops like me. This is my beloved MacBook Pro from 2011, which I've had since 2013. I bought it second hand back then and I've been using it ever since for nearly all the creative work I do. Really good, still really fast, running some fairly old software on it, but works a treat. But disaster struck. A couple of keys on my keyboard started being really intermittent. I pressed them, they'd work sometimes, they wouldn't work other times. I tried all the usual fixes. I levered off the top of the key and cleaned inside with isopropyl alcohol, blew air, tried to blow the dust out and stuff. Nothing really worked very well. But this trick, which I'll show you right away, is something which appears to have worked so far. Simply, no tools or anything, just get your laptop, switch it off, turn it slightly on its side, just like that, and gently pat the back, like that. I'll do it the other way up so you can see. And you'll probably find little bits of dust start to fly out. There's still more coming out now, even though I've done this several times. Lots of dust and little bits and pieces and maybe the odd paper clip, certainly lots of dandruff and pastry and cake crumbs and all the stuff that you've been doing over your laptop. And after a little while of doing this, I'll do it that way up as well, not too hard of course, you may well find that your laptop keys that weren't working before are magically working again. If you've done it too hard, you'll find your whole laptop's broken, and don't blame me if that's what you've done. I hope you find that as useful as I found it. Thanks for watching.